Here is a simple problem. It states that for the device shown here, assume the D input is low, both S inputs are low and the enable input is low. What is the status of the Y complement outputs? Now the options are A, all are high, B, all are low, C, all but Y0 bar are low, and D, all but Y0 bar are high. The figure of the circuit is shown here. It is basically a demultiplexer figure. So now we have an input D here, S0, S1 inputs are here. So basically there are a combination of three inputs. Enable is already low and D is also low. So we shall find the combination of the outputs for S0, S1 for all the D equal to zeros. So we find a truth table where D is 0 only and D equal to 1 is not considered because the question shows it is D input is low. So S0, S1 combinations, all the combinations are shown here. For 0, 0, it is Y0 bar which is 0. For 0, 1, Y1 bar is 0. For 1, 0, it is Y2 bar which is 0. And for 1, 1, Y3 bar is 0. So for this condition which is shown here, S inputs are low. That means S0 and S1 both are low, which means 0. So the output is at Y0 bar which is low. All the rest are high because at this combination of 0, D equal to 0, S0 equal to 0, S1 equal to 0, output is reflected only at Y0 bar which is active at equal to 0. So the rest are high and the correct answer to the question is all but Y0 bar are high. Option D.